Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Wi-Fi password on TP-Link Deco M5. Well, the only way to manage TP-Link Deco is by using Deco application on iPhone or Android device, so let's open this application. And now, no matter which network you connected to, you can manage your devices from anywhere in the world. You just need to be logged into your TP-Link account. So now you can see your mesh network in your home. Tap on Wi-Fi settings, tap on password, tap on this eye icon, delete your old password, enter a new one. You have to enter at least 8 symbols. I hope you will use stronger Wi-Fi password and just hit save. Now all your devices will be disconnected from this network because of you have changed the password, including the current device if it was connected to your Deco network before. So if you wish to reconnect, you have to go to your Wi-Fi settings, tap on I next to your Deco network, forget this network. Then refresh your Wi-Fi, just disable and enable once again. Find your Deco network and connect using your new password. And do this for any other devices in your house. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.